Hello guys, welcome to another video with your youngest farmer in Nigeria. And today guys, you're going to be receiving lectures on the benefits of pineapple and fish to your chickens. So stay tuned, like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you have been on this channel before, stay tuned and watch my previous videos. And if it's your first time, like and subscribe and come back for more content. Today we're going to be talking about pineapple and fish and the benefits they give to your fowls when merged. So let's talk about the benefits of pineapples to your chicken. Pineapples is very sweet, so your chickens will really enjoy this medication. So first thing you want to know about pineapple is it has a lot of vitamin C, which fights damage to the cells and joints. Pineapple also contains dietary bromelains, which aid digestion and absorption of nutrients into the body of your chickens. So it helps in growth too. So which is the major aim of a poultry farmer. This is one of the major aim, and pineapple has that. It can help with that. So you really need this in the medication. The anti-inflammatory properties boost immunity while protecting chickens from bacterial infection. It also improves bone health. Pineapple contains a lot of manganese, which improves bone health and reduces the risk of bone disease. So that's very good for the bone. It's very good for the bones of your chicken, and healthy bone, healthy chicken. So you really need this. One of the most essential nutrients needed for chickens is protein, and this is packed in fish. So this is why fish is very important for this medication. Protein is essential for chicken growth and egg production, so you can also use this for your layers. It also aids for immunity, adaptation to surrounding, and fish is one of the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. They contain a wide range of minerals and vitamins. It also has high quantity of omega-3 fatty acid, which benefit both humans and animals. So it helps treat heart diseases and enhance bone formation and immunity, such as coccidiosis in chicken. Probiotics found in fish are compatible with the biomes found in the guts of chicken, so this addition strengthens the intestine of the chicken. After adding pineapple and the fish together, you pour in your black stripe molasses. This is mainly for preservation, so it has other health benefits to the chickens, but mainly for preservation. You add this for preservation.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, don't pay no. Trailer for sailoring.
After the mixture, you mash them together to get it smooth. And remember, for the pineapple you're adding, you add the same amount of fish and a little quantity of black stripe molasses for preservation.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for
this is how it looks like after a lot of mashing and smashing. So that's all you have to do to get this. All you have to do now is cover with a breathable mesh. You can use a cloth or serviette paper, and you store it away from sunlight in a cool dry place, and you leave it for 14 days and you get your result. That is how to make the multivitamin. I actually made a bigger quantity. For the pineapple you use equivalent amount of fish. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.